What if I told you that you can build an interactive website like this in under a minute without writing a single line of code? All you need to do is type one line of a prompt and have a cup of coffee while it builds. Let me show you how. You go to this website called Emergent, sign up with Google account for free. It asks you for few questions about what are you planning to build. Either you can answer them or you can choose to skip. Now, it's time to write our prompt. So here is exactly what I typed in one line, telling it to build an interactive website for Ferrari. That's it. Then, the agent will ask you a few questions, specifically about the website you are building. Let's select Showcase Site. Then it's asking me if I want a database, if I want to do any transactions. For ease of demonstration, I will just say I want an interactive front-end only site. Next, it wants to know my visual style preference. I will let the agent decide. And then it checks if I need a chatbot integration. Let's skip this. Now, the agent has started building the site. You will see a preview of the page while it is built. You might see few error messages in the preview section. Be patient and just let the agent finish loading. Now the agent has finished building the site. Let's click on this button to open the preview in a new tab. You can see how smooth the transitions are as you scroll through the website. Every section flows into the next without any jump or lag. You can tell the agent didn't just stack blocks together, it actually thought about how someone would move through this page. There's even a color picker for the car, so you can click through and see it in different shades. If you want to build a website without hiring a designer, or if you want to test a new idea, this is the website you must try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.